Are you stuck trying to change the email linked to your Xbox account? Don't worry, it's easier than you think. I'm here to show you exactly how to do it step by step. First, you're going to go to the Xbox website or open the Xbox app. You're going to sign in with your current email and your current password, and you're going to head to account settings, okay? Account settings. You're going to find an option for your personal information, including your email address. So next, you're going to click on change email, okay? Change email under your account details. You'll be asked to enter your new email address. Make sure that you have access to the new email because Xbox is going to send a confirmation to that address. Once you've typed in your new email, Xbox will ask you to verify it. So check your email inbox for confirmation, okay? For the confirmation code. Enter that code on your Xbox account page to finish the process, all right? Now, if you're having trouble trying to log out and try to log back in again with your new email, this can help update everything and ensure that change sticks. So finally, remember to update your email in other places like Xbox Live or any game accounts tied to your Xbox profile, all right? Now you're all set to use your new email. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Ciao.